Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a cash sales using SQL accounting software. Cash sales refer to transactions made using cash, credit cards, or other instant payment methods. They are commonly used for walk-in customers. Here is a scenario. A customer comes to your store and wants to buy a table and a chair. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, select cash sales as the customer. Next, change the date if necessary. Select an agent. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in furniture order as an example. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the item field. Click on this plus button to insert a record. Select the items and key in the required details. After you've done inputting data, click on Save. The system will prompt this payment dialog window. As you can see, the total amount is 533.50 ringgit. The customer decides to pay by cash but only has large bills, so they hand over 600 ringgit to make the payment. Enter 600 ringgit in the paid column. The system will automatically calculate the change to be returned to the customer. Next, select cash in hand as the payment method. Alternatively, if the customer wants to pay by credit card, you can select credit card as the payment method and enter the credit card number here. Then, click OK. After saving, the payment received info will be updated automatically and an official receipt will be generated in customer payment. You can double-click on the document number here to view the official receipt. If you operate a retail shop, you can use a barcode scanner for faster transactions. Similarly, select cash sales as customer. Then, click F8 on your keyboard. A dialog box will appear for barcode scanning. When you scan the barcode, the item will be selected automatically. After you've done inputting data, click Save. Key in the payment details. And that's it. We've successfully gone through cash sales. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.